Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a cheesy, delicious Southwest corn recipe. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified of my new uploads. Now let's get started. So I'll get started by cutting all the kernels off the corn cob, and I'm using about 8 to 10 cobs of corn. Then I'm gonna place it in a large bowl and set it aside, and then I'll get started on cutting up my remaining ingredients. Now I'm gonna cut up 1 red bell pepper, followed by a jalapeno pepper, and then lastly a little bit of green onion. And then once that's done, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to my skillet here, and then I'll get started on sauteing my vegetables. So after I season with salt and pepper, I'm just going to cook this until everything is soft and translucent. So probably for about 5 minutes or so. And then I'll add in all of my fresh corn. And then once again, I'll lightly season everything with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And then I'm going to cook my corn for another 5 minutes before I finish it up by adding in my cheese and then a little bit of fresh cilantro. Now I'm just going to add in some cheesy goodness, and I'm also going to toss in a little bit of chopped cilantro, and I'm just going to stir everything in well to combine it, and just look at that delicious cheese pool you get. I mean, yum. Y'all, this corn recipe has it all, from the spiciness of the jalapenos to the sweet peppers and of course the butter and that cheese. This is definitely a show-stopping side, fit for any cookout or gathering, and it's made in under 20 minutes. Well, that is going to wrap up this video. Thanks again for joining me for another delicious recipe. I'll see you later.